Hey everyone, saving money doesn't have to be complicated or require drastic lifestyle changes. Sometimes, small adjustments in your daily routine can lead to significant savings. Here are 50 easy ways to save money every month, helping you achieve your financial goals without feeling deprived. 1. Create a budget. Track your income and expenses to identify where you can cut back. 2. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account each payday. 3. Use cashback apps. Earn cashback on everyday purchases with apps like Rakuten or Honey. 4. Cancel unused subscriptions. Review and cancel any subscriptions or memberships you no longer use. 5. Cook at home. Prepare meals at home instead of dining out to save on food costs. 6. Plan your meals. Create a weekly meal plan to avoid last-minute takeout and reduce food waste. 7. Buy generic brands. Choose generic over-name brand products to save on groceries and household items. 8. Use a grocery list. Stick to a grocery list to avoid impulse buys and stay within budget. 9. Shop sales and use coupons. Take advantage of sales, discounts, and coupons to lower your grocery bill. 10. Reduce energy consumption. Turn off lights, unplug devices, and use energy-efficient bulbs to save on utilities. 11. Use public transportation. Save on gas and parking by using public transportation or carpooling. 12. Bike or walk more. Opt for biking or walking for short trips to save on transportation costs. 13. Refinance loans. Look into refinancing your mortgage or student loans for better interest rates. 14. Use a programmable thermostat. Adjust the temperature automatically to save on heating and cooling bills. 15. DIY cleaning products. Make your own cleaning products with simple ingredients like vinegar and baking soda. 16. Buy in bulk. Purchase non-perishable items in bulk to save money over time. 17. Limit credit card use. Avoid unnecessary interest charges by using cash or debit for purchases. 18. Set financial goals. Having clear financial goals can motivate you to save more effectively. 19. Review your insurance. Compare insurance policies and switch if you can get the same coverage for less. 20. Bundle services. Combine services like internet, phone, and cable to get discounts. 21. Shop secondhand. Buy used clothes, furniture, and electronics to save money. 22. Use your local library. Borrow books, movies, and more for free from your local library. 23. Limit eating out. Set a limit for dining out each month and stick to it. 24. Make coffee at home. Brew your own coffee instead of buying expensive coffee from cafes. 25. Pack your lunch. Bring lunch to work instead of buying it to save money daily. 26. Entertain at home. Host gatherings at home instead of going out to expensive venues. 27. Shop off-season. Buy clothes and other items during off-season sales for significant discounts. 28. Use loyalty programs. Sign up for loyalty programs at your favorite stores to earn rewards and discounts. 29. Sell unused items. Declutter your home and sell items you no longer need for extra cash. 30. Negotiate bills. Call service providers to negotiate lower rates for internet, cable, and other bills. 31. Opt for a staycation. Save on travel costs by exploring local attractions instead of expensive vacations. 32. Limit alcohol consumption. Reduce the amount of money spent on alcohol by drinking less frequently. 33. Utilize free activities. Take advantage of free community events, parks, and activities. 34. DIY gifts. Make homemade gifts for birthdays and holidays instead of buying expensive presents. 35. Avoid ATM fees. Use ATMs within your bank's network to avoid unnecessary fees. 36. Use a water filter. Invest in a water filter to save money on bottled water. 37. Track your spending. Use apps or a notebook to keep track of daily expenses and identify saving opportunities. 38. Buy reusable products. Invest in reusable items like water bottles, bags, and containers to save over time. 39. Delay gratification. Wait 24 hours before making non-essential purchases to avoid impulse buying. 40. Learn basic repairs. Handle simple home repairs yourself instead of hiring a professional. 41. Take advantage of free trials. Use free trials for services and remember to cancel before they start charging. 42. Carpool to work. Share rides with colleagues to save on fuel and reduce wear and tear on your car. 43. Limit convenience foods. Avoid pre-packaged convenience foods which are often more expensive. 44. Grow your own herbs. Start a small herb garden to save on fresh herbs for cooking. 45. Buy discounted gift cards. Purchase gift cards at a discount to use for regular purchases. 46. Use cashback credit cards. Earn cash back on purchases by using a rewards credit card responsibly. 47. Switch to a cheaper gym. Look for more affordable gym memberships or explore free workout options. 48. Avoid bank fees. Choose a bank that offers free checking and savings accounts without fees. 49. Use free software. Opt for free software alternatives for your computer and mobile devices. 50. Review your finances regularly. Regularly review your financial situation to ensure you're staying on track with your savings goals. By incorporating these simple strategies into your daily routine, you can start saving money each month effortlessly. Remember, every little bit counts, and over time, these small savings can add up to a significant amount. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.